you go to sleep, say a little prayer. Every day, in every way, it's getting better and better.